Greetings, River Lady here, and it's time to sing. Oh, happy days are here again. Happy days are here again. I don't think that's how the tune goes. I think I've got the wrong tune for that song. I'll have to find out what the right tune is. But anyway, time for the third episode of the third season of Hydrangea 911. And look at how lush and green our little hydrangea is. She is just a beauty, but that's not why I'm singing. Let's do this. Take the camera off the tripod, walk forward without falling on my face, and ta-da! We have buds. We have buds. We're going to have flowers. Now, not a lot of flowers. Right now I don't have a lot of buds, but we have buds. We have buds. We have buds. Happy days are here again. Happy days are here again. All right, that's it for the third episode of the third season of Hydrangea 911. Our little hydrangea is going to give us flowers. So we will be able to tell what type of hydrangea she is. I mean, we know that she's a mophead. However, we don't know what type of mophead she is. So these flowers are going to tell us a lot. Yay! Happy days. I know. River Lady, stop singing. Thank you for watching. Happy gardening. And this is River Lady saying bye. Happy days are here again.